Hi everybody, welcome back to the Moto Nest garage, and our subject today will be the clutch at 1200GS 2008. The owner noticed a leak under the motorcycle. We knew that it had to be dismantled. We have already the motorcycle and the gearbox took it apart. I'm not going to make a tutorial how to dismantle it and how to take it apart because there are a lot of tutorials on the internet about that. And I'm going to focus myself especially on the reasons why we have those leaks and how we can avoid it if it's possible. It's the first time when I see an oil leak at this mileage, at 40,000, and I was thinking that it might be a connection between this leak and the oil which the owner is using for the motorcycle, the engine oil, and how many miles, how many thousand miles he's driving with one change of oil. So it might be a connection, it might be not, but my opinion that there is. So let's have a look where the leak is and what seal is gone. Okay, we have the two crankshaft. Okay, the top one which is making the connection with the pressure plate and the clutch disc, and the counterbalancing crankshaft. Okay, we take the counterbalancing weight out and we notice the leak. Okay, this seal is gone. It's very clear that we don't have any oil leak over here, okay, in this area. Okay, and everything is coming from the bottom seal. Why the bottom seal is leaking and what caused this? Some people opinion is that at the earlier models 2005 and 2007 this is a common problem, but this is a 2008, so obvious is not going to be the case. After a small chat with the owner, I find out that he's using a semi-synthetic oil and he's riding with the same oil around 10 to 12,000 miles. So I would say it's a little bit too much using a semi-synthetic oil. And using that oil, it can bring a bad lubrication in the seal area. Okay, and because we have a friction over here, so it's you see the surface where the seal is coming in contact with the metal parts. Okay, it can cause overheating, and this overheating can bring a decalibration of the seal, which obviously you see it's a rubber with plastic, and the material it can be decalibrated. And because of this decalibration, it can occur an oil leak. That's it for today, and I hope you find the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching. I see you in the next episodes.